for the back. And you're like, you're not gonna.
Is that it? I don't even think it would. You're good. Straighten it out.
So say I represent the ghetto worldwide. What's sex?
It's just hidden in like plain sight. It's just like real as fuck.
You don't believe in time travel?
Oh man, the world is just so big.
Muy bien. See? Alright, so we leave the house by 7. We go to Silver Lake, Inspiration, get some dinner, get back here by like 3. Yeah. And get the fuck to bed.
It doesn't open until 10, but we should get there at like 9 to meet up with Seth.
I have no idea. It shifted.
This one I was thinking 75.
Look at this trick.
Annoying and ask about it. There's like a polka dot. Yeah, the black one. Yeah. Where do I stand? Come forward and like you can lean up against that. 2, 3. Perfect. If you want it bad, it's cool. No, you know, I'm not like, I don't need it all.
But dude, the patching is. I mean, the jacket alone, probably in this condition.
Oh.
Yeah, it's gnarly, man.
Honestly,
Thank you, bro. Perfect. Thank you. My bad, I got no hands. I mean, I guess you'll see him shortly. Huh? Yeah.
Shoot.
just shopping. Yeah. How's it going? Good, good.
Uncle Melissa's here.
Funny to think like, yo, there literally could be like warehouses full of like.
Yeah, let's go. Why would you say that? Why would you say that?
So there's a guy at the ketchup stand just emptying out the peppers.
This is the most responsible time to go to bed.
Yeah, you're gonna get 9 hours of sleep if you go to bed right now.
5:30.
I'm gonna wake your ass up at 2:30 in the morning.
Morning. You know what I mean? You know.
Since there's no one in this booth right here, I'm gonna move my car over so we can actually shut the fuck up.
I don't think so. You know if you have any questions? One.
Yeah, they have
Thank you.
Thank you.
1, 2, 3. Appreciate you guys. Thank you. 1, 2, 3. Appreciate you. All right. Thank you. 3, 2, 1.
Thank you.
God damn. Damn good day. I was not expecting that many people to show up. But I'm wet as fuck.
We're drenched. I've never been so drenched at the Rosebowl.
Wet as fuck. Good call on the Mongolian beef.
For real? It's fucking sunny now?
Let's hit the road.